at Tryon and Xavier's Group. True learning happens when curiosity meets experience. Here we students experience an education that is dynamic and engaging.
And today that belief has rolled right into our campus. We are moving beyond the pages of a book to interact with history firsthand.
Picture a vibrant, moving knowledge hub filled with ancient wonders and cultural treasures designed to spark imagination and inquiry.
Yes, the students of St. Xavier's High School Goregaon are thrilled to explore the museum on wheels. Let's have a look at this unique learning space.
Please tell me more about the concept of Museum on Wheels and please share something about this year's theme.
Okay, so the Museum on Wheels is an outreach initiative by the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya. It's a project that has been going on for 10 years, and through this project, what we essentially do is we take museum to different parts of our country. Our whole idea is that if you cannot come to the museum will come to you. And under that, for past 10 years, we have been organizing and curating exhibitions on different themes that are more or less connected with the syllabus and curriculum that students are studying. This year's theme is on the Sindhu Saraswati civilization, and it is a very interesting and very significant because it's almost more than 100 years since the discovery of this ancient civilization, and we are trying to look at the recent research that has been undertaken. At the same time, what are the interesting factors that we can see, how the civilization has flourished around the river, what was the occupation, what were they trading in. They were in contact with foreign civilizations. So we are trying to put a lot of these pointers in this one exhibition. Through replicas, digital interactives and tactile objects, we are trying to make this exhibition even more dynamic, and it is very interesting for all the students.
Please share your experience on Museum on Wheels.
I have never seen a creative way to learn history.
I absolutely love this visit. The concept was just amazing.
The Museum on Wheels made learning engaging. We appreciate our school organizing such an event.
It is a wonderful experience. I love the ancient artifacts and learning became more attractive and fun. Thank you to the school, chairman, sir and madam for this wonderful concept.
It brought history directly to us. We didn't need to travel far.
It helped me understand our heritage better.
Every exhibit is carefully curated. It is a remarkable learning experience.
This experience was truly memorable. The artifacts were fascinating.
The concept breaks the boundaries of a traditional museum by bringing it to the students.
To say we are inspired is an understatement. This wasn't just a visit, it was a new and unique learning experience.
We would like to thank Chairman Sir and Managing Director Madam for providing our students with the dynamic ways of learning. On that note, this is YJ Ishika.
And this is YJ Harsh signing off for Young Journals on Ryan TV.